Hi everyone, today I am gonna tell you how you can change the appearance of your website and how you can add new themes. So let's get started. Please subscribe my channel. So this is my WordPress dashboard. From here, if you can see, this is an appearance tab. Here you can see themes, widgets, menus, header. These all I'll explain you later, but let me tell you what are themes. Themes are basically how your websites look. It changes the appearance of your website. Let me go to my website, and here you will see that this is my theme right now. Its appearance is like right now, but I can change it. How? Here if I go to my themes, from here I can add, as you can see there are many themes, but I want to add a new theme. Okay, so from here I'll go to add new, and from here I'll get many themes. There are thousands, millions of themes you can see here. So from here I will download any theme which I like. Suppose I would like to download Wix. Let me install it. You will click on install button. It will install in a few seconds. So yeah, it's installed, and now I will just activate it. Or even if you can live preview it, but I'll just activate and I'll show you it's going to activate. Yeah, so if I go to my website and just refresh it, you can see that, yeah, my appearance is changed. You can see how my appearance is changed, how it looks more good, it looks more good. Even if I open and post, and you can see how it looks. Yeah, so it looks very cool and different. So now I'm gonna tell you how you can add a new theme. You can upload a new theme. So from here you'll go to wordpress.org. You can just, and from here if you go to themes, I prefer you to download themes from here because it will be more safe, or you can download it from anywhere you like. Suppose I'm gonna download the blog magazine. I'm gonna download it. It will be downloading on my desktop. So yeah, I'll download it on my desktop and I will save. It will take some seconds, and afterwards I'm going, yeah. So from here, if you go to add new, you can see her here. Yeah, I'll go to add new from here. So from here you can see that upload theme. You can see the upload theme button at the top of this. So my theme is going to be downloaded on my desktop. Yeah, so it's downloaded. Now I'll click on upload theme, and from here you can, as you click on upload theme, it takes a little bit of time, maybe. I don't know why it's not getting. Let me refresh it. Yeah, so as you see, I clicked on upload theme, and here you'll see choose file option. They are saying if you have a theme as .zip format, you may install it by uploading it. You can only upload this zip format, so always remember that. We'll choose file, and yeah, in my desktop I have blog magazine. Yeah, so from here I'll just open it, and it's gonna be. I'll click on install now, so it will install my theme in a few seconds. It'll take a little time, so yeah, you can see here unpackaging the package and installing the theme. So theme installed successfully. From here I can activate, or I can go to the appearance and activate it, and if you activate it, it will just activate. And if I go to my website, so you will see a change. Yeah, so you can see how we can change the theme. Thank you so much. Subscribe me please.